installation and setup of MongoDB 6. Let's go on the and type here MongoDB and click on the mongodb.com server official website. Then go on the product section, and after that community edition, click on the community server. Then it automatically redirect from here available download. Select a version, which now this current version is 6, and platform window, and we select here two options. We select the MSI Microsoft Software Installer. Click on the download. Now here download is now started. Let's be back when the download is completed. Now download is completed. Now click on this show in folder. Now double click on this MongoDB installation setup. After that preparing for installing. Now click on the next. After that click on the I accept the terms license agreement. Now click next. Now click on the complete. I don't want to customize. Then after this by default is okay, and remember this path because after the installation we go on this path. Then click on the next, and I want to MongoDB Compass, which is a GUI for the MongoDB. I want to this. If you don't want to, then you unclick this, but I want to this. Then click on the next, and then click on the installation. Now installation preparation is started. Installation completed. Now this automatically open. Let's minimize this. Now see, finish this. Now this our MongoDB now installed. For checking purpose, go on the C drive, program file, go on the MongoDB server 6 bin file. Now see here all the file are for checking purpose MongoDB install or not. Let's open the CMD, and here just copy the bin file. If you not set the environment variable, you will see, and in the double quotes paste it. After that write mongo d.exe. Actually this file is this one, mongo d. Mongoose is not in this file because it will be included in the Mongo shell. Then let's click on this, enter, and now this one we say that our MongoDB is now installation is completed. Let's set this path from the environment variable. For that, open the environment variable, click on this environment variable, and click on this where is path, and let's copy this bin file and go on this and new and paste the here. Now click OK. Now see CMD. We don't need to copy paste again path MongoD. When you click enter, now see this one will not be stopped. Thank you for watching.